What's the easiest way to know if your friend is true? Una, be careful who you share good news with. Pag na-share ka ng good news, doon mo makikita sino ang totoo mong kaibigan. Because there will be people really immersed in helping you celebrate. They will appreciate you, love you, respect you. And there will be people trying to compete with you. There will be friends na instead na i-congratulate ka, ano sasabihin nila? Ako din, nagawa ko na yan. Actually, ito pa nga yung nagawa ko eh. Ang dali naman yan eh. Instead of giving you credit for your achievement, instead of celebrating with you, tatapakan lang nila yung achievement mo. At i-compare nila yung sa kanila. They are too narcissistic. You also must be careful who you share bad news with. Because there will be friends who will try to manipulate you to do something when they know that you are vulnerable, when they know that you are in a mess. Gagamitin nilang leverage yung alam nilang hindi ka okay.